then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Hey boo, welcome. So I have pre-stretched my hair. If you guys want to see how I get my hair to look like this, I already have a tutorial on that, so I will link it in the description box below or on the cards above. So make sure you check that out soon after watching this video so that you can learn. So I'm going to be using my Cantu gel to sleek down my hair. I am basically following the exact same steps that I did in my previous video. The only difference here is I am going to be doing my bun a bit lower than what I did, and we will be trying out a new style. So just a quick rundown. I'm working in sections on straight hair. I'm only working my gel on my roots. I don't necessarily have to put it all through my hair because my hair is longer and thicker, so I would be wasting product. So I'm just doing this on my roots, and then I'm using my rubber band just to tie down my hair. And I am super excited to announce that this will be the end of our, let me say, the season finale of our gels before I do a comparison video. And I'm so excited to share with you guys my experience using gels for the past 2 months. It was quite an experience, and I am so happy that I was able to do this together with Runako Connect, a business networking company that is all about black beauty. So make sure you check them out. I will link them down in the description box as well, so you can go check out their website. So of course I put a hefty amount of gel, and now I'm just brushing it down to make sure that it distributes into my hair very, very well. And sleek wear. Okay. This is what I call slick wear. Slick wear. It don't move. My hair, it don't move. Oh goodness, I'm so excited. I really like the outcome of this. It's so neat. And so I'm just going to braid my hair just to ensure that it stays stretched whilst I wait for my hair to dry. So you've got various options. You can decide to take your hair dryer and put it on a low setting and just blow dry it until your hair is dry if you're rushing to go somewhere. I am hoping to be through this hairstyle like a vandaag, and I want to make sure that by midday my hair has dried. So whilst I wait for that, I am just going to braid my hair just to ensure that it doesn't shrink, because y'all know natural hair is going to shrink on you. So I'm just making sure that I keep it stretched. So now moving on to the ponytail, I'm going to be using these Yaki braids by Sensationals. So if you want to have like a very large bun, if you want like a more elegant dramatic look, you can go for 2 packs. 2 packs will give a more thicker braid, of course, than the one that I'm going to do with 1 pack. So I am personally using 1 pack because I just want something very simple and very well put together, not anything extravagant. Yes, cool. And so I twist the end so that I can have a tail, and I'm just going to detangle the braids with my fingers, and then I'm going to attach it to my hair. So of course I'm going to undo the braid that I had done earlier, and I'm going to attach it using this method where you put the braid center part, and you align it with your bun, and then you tie half of it so that you're able to attach it to your hair, because I want to actually braid my hair into this bun so that it's a proper, you know, protective style for, you know, a week, and I don't have to worry about my hair detaching or any of that really. So I'm just going to try and blend my hair into this. So I really don't want to lie to you guys, I didn't just get this from the first try. This was something I was trying out for the first time on myself, and yeah, I must confess it was not the easiest thing to do, okay? So this is probably like my third try. I took 20 minutes trying to figure this out, so don't be afraid to make mistakes as well. Here you just need to make sure that you distribute the hair evenly. When I say distribute the hair evenly, I mean that your hair should have the same proportion as the hair that you are taking, if that makes sense. So you should have 3 equal parts at the end of your hair with some braids, your hair with some braids. So this is what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to create those proportions for 3 of the parts that I'm going to use to braid. So I hope I'm making sense before I start braiding. And this is very important because that's the mistake that I kept making, and then the braid would look, there is an unneatness and then there is aninit isingaiti, like aninit that is unbearable, like, you know what I mean? Ingasebenzi, you know, like untidy, kind of unneat. Anyway, let me stop rambling. So basically that's what I did here, and it's kind of started messing up with my, you know, my hair, but I fixed that later on. And so you can start braiding after you have done that. You want to be very careful as well because your braids are very long, so this is going to require some sort of, like, you know, it's going to give you a little bit of like some workouts, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm now doing, and I'm trying to braid going under because that's what was more, you know, comfortable for me to do. So I was braiding going under the braid. So if you like, you can totally stop here and just have your hair in this ponytail. That's an actual look, an actual proper look, but I wanted a bun. This is what I was aiming for. So I just twisted the hair on top of each other, placing it, making sure that with that tail end I make it very tight so that it doesn't move. You're free to use bobby pins as well if you feel more comfortable doing that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it if you shared this with another naturalista or another woman who just needs some inspiration. Comment down below and let me know if you guys will be trying this out. Will you be wearing it down or will you be putting it in a bun? See you guys in the next one.